Again, chemicals falling like rain in Florida. That is not clouds. It's from this. Geoengineering stratospheric aerosol injection. That looks like a guitar string. Not normal. Let's not forget to mention the incredible tower. Really incredible. Geoengineering lines in the sky in Florida at this moment. Nobody even sees it. Falling like rain, standing by. I'm gonna try to buy some real food, but who even knows what's real anymore. The sky is definitely not natural. Nobody even notices all the spraying. There's 3 lines, there's 4 lines. It looks like a bass guitar. Standing by.